The beginnings of cats' companionship with humans date back at least 4,000 years BC in ancient Egypt. Cats were revered and considered sacred animals. In ancient Egypt, cats held significant importance in both daily life and religion. They were worshipped as protectors of households, and killing a cat was punishable by death. Cats were often depicted in ancient Egyptian art and mythology, symbolizing fertility, grace, and protection.